Good morning, Year 8, and welcome back after the summer holidays. It is Monday, the 20th of April, and we are starting with Lesson 9, Week 3. So this week we have 2 revision lessons. We then have our third lesson is going to be an online test for you to complete, see how you're doing with this topic. And then finally, we will have, exactly like we have in school, a reflection lesson where we do some targets. So your starter for today is obviously a recap of what we've been doing. You have 10 questions. So pause the video, answer these questions in your book or on a Word document, and then press play and then look for the answers and see how you got on. So have a look at this picture. And think about what it takes to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So we are all at home at the moment, so we're all thinking about this. It's on telly. We're probably talking about it with our families of what it takes to actually maintain a healthy lifestyle, not only physically but also mentally. Write down as many as you can. So you should have come up with a list, something like this, that we need sleep, exercise, only 1 hour a day outside the house. Obviously, you can exercise as much as you want in the house. Healthy, balanced diet. We know we need our carbohydrates, our fruit, our veg, our protein, our water, our minerals, our vitamins. We need to stimulate our mind, not just by playing PlayStation, but with our books and some TV and decent dialogue with our families. We need a variety of activities during the day, good sized portions, not too big, not too small, and not too many Easter eggs. So if anyone out there is suffering from a Easter egg hangover or has excess Easter eggs in the house and you need to get rid of those, obviously give us a call at school and we will be happy to come and collect those Easter eggs and obviously destroy them. So have a look at these 2 pictures. Obviously, it's quite clear to see there's some issues going on here. So what conditions are they actually suffering with? Have a think, look back through your books and see if you can find out what they might have and what potential risks to their health this might have. Look through your notes. If you don't know the answer to these, you need to go back to our videos in weeks 1 and 2 and find the answers. So have a look at this plate of food. Can you identify what is on this plate of food? What are our food groups here? Is this a balanced meal? Would you be happy to give your family this and keep them healthy? I want you to write down the food groups involved and then explain your answer. Okay, now we're going to do some matching of deficiencies with the disease itself. So on the left-hand side, you have the diseases, and on the right-hand side, you have the deficiency. What you need to do is write down the diseases in your book, and then right next to them, the deficiency that matches with them. We'll give you the first one. It is a disease called kwashiorkor, and that is a result of a deficiency in protein, so normally caused by a lack of meat. So that's the first one. See if you can do the other 4. In your books, I would like you to write out these 4 sentences and then find out what word is missing. You have a word bank of answers here to use, and then unpause the video and you can see if you were right. Here we have a diagram of inside the body. I would like you to pause the video, write A to K in your margin, and then match the words on the screen to which body part. Start off by doing the ones you know, and that will leave just maybe a few left that you then may be able to figure out which ones go where, and then unpause the video to see if you were right. Here we have some information on the journey of food through your body. I would like you to read the information on the screen and then condense it down into 8 bullet points of how food travels through your body. Read it to a member of your family to see if it actually makes sense. Well done, everyone. You have now completed today's lesson. I want you to now go through all of your notes. If there's anything you're unsure of, go over that, research that, go back through the videos, the lessons online. Just check your understanding, ready for an online test on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on your timetable. Also, we will have another revision lesson, part 2, tomorrow. And then obviously that refreshes your memory on everything you've learned over the last 2 weeks.